Burj Khalifa spectacular fireworks ring in 2026. Dubai's iconic Burj Khalifa fireworks show served as the centerpiece of New Year's Eve celebrations welcoming 2026, lighting up the skyline with spectacular pyrotechnics at the stroke of midnight. The display included synchronized LED lighting, laser effects and fireworks launched around the world's tallest building, drawing thousands of residents and visitors into downtown Dubai. Authorities staged a citywide celebration that also featured fireworks at 48 locations across the emirate, making Dubai one of the busiest global New Year's Eve festivities. From free public viewing zones to licensed ticketed areas like Burj Park, thousands of attendees gathered early to secure excellent vantage points for the nightly spectacle. The celebrations were supported by extensive transportation planning, including extended metro hours and road closures to manage crowd flow and public safety. Millions who could not attend in person watched live streams on official platforms, giving global audiences a front-row view of the New Year fireworks around Burj Khalifa. While many Reddit users praised the dazzling show as breathtaking, others brought up critical opinions, illustrating how public celebrations can generate diverse reactions online. Celebrate the magic of New Year's Eve in the UAE. Don't miss next year's unforgettable moments.